Welcome back, mates. Crypto Lovers Trading Group. A little bit after 9:30 this morning. We're talking altcoins setting up for the weekend. Obviously, we know what's happening with Bitcoin this morning as predicted, as well as Ethereum. Will some of the altcoins correlated with Bitcoin, as well as the DeFi coins correlated with Ethereum, what's going to happen to them here in the next 24 to 48 hours? We're already seeing the move here. So now we're talking about what's happening with, in this particular video, what's going to happen with Solana. Solana, as you know, has been characterized as Ethereum killer. Just for purposes of disclosure, you guys know I'm a huge fan of Solana, have an interest in Solana, and but this is just an objective analysis of what's going on with Solana right now. Okay, I'm not your financial advisor. You need to contact your own financial advisor, do your own due diligence. All risk in cryptocurrency is your own, like it is for me and everybody else, because that's just the nature of the game. In terms of Solana, obviously, we all know about the meteoric rise of Solana over the last year. Those of us in the Crypto Lovers Trading Group have been in Solana since January. Okay, so we've had incredible gains. I know one of the mates in the group has earned over $55,000 just in Solana. Okay, in 2021 going into 2022. So, I mean, this is what happens when you find the right altcoin, right? When you find the right project, and it's legitimate, and it's growing, and adoption and acceptance, okay? Solana is that. Now, whether or not you believe it, Solana is going to be the Ethereum killer, and I do not, and I'm still a huge fan of Solana and Avalanche. Been recommending those altcoins for a year now, okay? But I don't think they're going to kill Ethereum. I think they're complements. I think if you talk to the developer community, there's room for all of these things, right? I mean, it's not, this whole, like, there only has to be one, right? That's a mentality that needs to be combated, in the crypto space. That there doesn't need to just be one winner, okay? It's not how it works. And so we're going to open this up 4-hour. Again, like the Chainlink video, suggest you guys check that out today. Very similar. The charts look very similar to one another. Again, breaking through the cloud here. Again, the three indicators that you were looking at on the FEMX chart here today are Ichimoku cloud. I just say the cloud, guys. That's just kind of how I am. RSI, Relative Strength Index, and MACD. Those are the three I primarily use, especially for beginner traders, because they're easy to understand and grasp. The cloud's a little bit more complicated, but you pick it up on it after a while. Okay, if you're in the Discord and you go to Technical Analytics, there is a write-up on the cloud in terms of how to use the cloud and what you're looking for and what it all means. I suggest you check it out. Join the free Discord if you have not already. That is on the banner of this channel on YouTube. Bottom right-hand corner, just click on that. That's an invite. You'll automatically be plugged in. You'll be good to go. But you're seeing this looks just like Chainlink, just like Bitcoin, just like Ethereum, breaking through here. Okay, but here again, just like Chainlink, RSI approaching 70. You've got to be cautious, okay? You've got to look back and see the history here, okay? It's gotten above 60 and fallen down. Almost got to 60, fell down. Back here again, got to 61, fell down, okay? That's a pattern, okay? Now, a lot of this today has to do with what's going on with Bitcoin. Everybody is jumping back in. So people are going to be jumping back in. We call that FOMO, okay? You can take advantage of that. Even if you're long and you've got a spot trades and you've got bags and stacks of Solana like all of us, that does not mean that you cannot go ahead and place a sell down leverage trade to capture gains. And this is what I really like show people is like, look, if you think, and I do, okay, again, not financial advice, Solana's got a 167 top here that's got to hit, right? It's not going to hit that top because without a pullback, because it's already an RSI of 70. It would have to climb to an RSI of 85 to 90 to really get to that level. And I don't really think that we have any history to justify that when this move has nothing to do with Solana. It's a overall market-driven move, okay? So you're likely going to see the profit taking come in, okay? And so you've already seen it here with the wicks, okay? That's a good indication there's not demand there at 155 yet, okay? So that's why you want to look at that. You're inching here over 70. Okay, so that's why you can either enter straddle trade, which is a buy up and a sell down simultaneously on your exchange if they permit it, or you may want to look at entering in a small leverage sell down trade as a hedge